We're gonna be traveling to yet another state. We're traveling to Florida because we're gonna actually be doing 3 aero kit installs and 1 vertical door. All right guys, and the anniversary white C8 is complete. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think there's more of a boss way to show up to pick up your Z06, second Z06. So the white and the matrix gray one belongs to the same owner. They pull up in a brand new Europe. Now it's officially starting the drive to West Palm Beach is the next location. I know earlier in the video I could not think of it, but West Palm Beach, man, I could not talk in this video today. West Palm Beach is where we're headed to. It's about an 8-hour drive from where we're currently at, but with the time difference, technically it's gonna be about 9 hours from the current time. We're probably gonna make a quick stop just to get some food because man, I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah. Yeah, it's a tough world out here, guys. No, I'm just kidding. So we'll check in with you guys in a bit.
8 hours later.
So guys, last update for the night. We just got to the hotel room. Guys, look at the time. It is 3:30 in the morning and well, we have to be up in about like 2.5 hours because the first install, which is the aero kit, is scheduled for 6:30 to 7 in the morning. I don't even know if we're gonna get any sleep tonight, but tomorrow will be the longest day with a total of 3 installs. So we'll keep you guys updated, but as always, we'll go ahead and check up with you in the morning. So till then, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning everyone. So we are currently at West Palm Beach, Florida, and well, we just showed up to the customer's house, and behind me you guys can see Adrian is already going ahead working on the Z06. Now, what color is this?
Elkhart Lake Blue.
Elkhart Lake Blue Z06. Really? Okay, so I was just informed that after this year, this color will be discontinued. So I guess it's an honor to work on a Z06 with this color. But basically, we're gonna get this front splitter removed. And just for this customer, we're gonna actually be removing the front bumper because he wants to get some mesh installed behind the front, these like grill pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it just for this install. And while that is getting installed, then we can go ahead and start working on the back and getting that prepped. Now that we got the front bumper off the car here, you guys can see the customer is already going ahead putting that mesh on the actual front grills just to block the radiators up front. So while that's getting done, we're over here on the back working on getting the rear bumper removed. We already have all the T15s taken out along with the carpeting inside pulled back just so when we're getting ready to drill, we don't actually penetrate the carpet itself. So here in a bit, we're gonna go ahead, remove the bumper, get the brackets all set up, and then moving along with the install.
Several song-filled hours later.
Now that the wing is fully installed, everything's all tied up in the rear end. Now, I know the clip before you guys saw the bumper up front. Well, I'm gonna say about an hour and a half has passed and we have the front splitter installed with the dive planes already. And just look at how much the front end has changed. Once we get the car out in the sun, that is when the wing will really pop, especially with, I think my favorite part about the back end is definitely that hole cover, how it just looks almost so perfect that you barely even notice it's there. So it looks like just the wing is on the rear bumper. And here we have it. After only about 3 hours, the install is fully completed. So now I know what you guys are waiting for, the owner's reaction. So I'm gonna go ahead, bring him over. Go ahead, introduce yourself to the people.
How we doing, people? My name is Ben. This is the second car they've done. I installed the first one. Yep. They installed the second one.
Yeah.
Don't hesitate to use these people. They build a solid product. They stand behind what they say they're going to do. And by the way, Brenda, thank you.
Hey, shout out to Brenda. And I mean, what do you think of the car, dude? Like,
the car is completely different than it was. Between the dive planes, the front splitter, the massive back wing. But the car's night and day. You're looking at a completely different car than when they started.
yeah.
So I do thank Sigala for everything they've done. And anybody that's on the fence, don't hesitate to use them. They'll get the job done a lot quicker than you can do it. So it is definitely worth the money.
So
I appreciate both you guys coming down to see me. Now get the heck out of my yard.
all right, let's go. Another aero kit job successfully done. Man, seeing a customer's reaction like that is honestly what motivates us so much, especially when we get so much positive feedback. And honestly, this was definitely a fun experience because the customer was there. I know you guys didn't see much behind the scenes, but Ben, if you're watching this, you know he offered us some snacks while we were working. And honestly, it was just overall a fun install, just because we were constantly interacting with him and constantly kind of talking back and forth, constantly talking about his car, what he has planned for it. Man, you guys should have seen him. He was so excited to have the car finished. So we're glad that was something we could do for him. But now we're on our way to another local customer to do a vertical door install. So let's go ahead and head to this guy's house and then see the car there for the first time and see exactly what area we're working in. And once we get settled, we will keep you guys updated. So here we are, we just showed up, and behind me you can see we are working on a white C8 Stingray. Adrian is already going ahead. Man, you're moving quicker than me. He's already going ahead working on the door panels, getting those taken off and prepped, you know, as far as all the wires. I'm gonna go ahead work on getting the wheel wells removed and the fenders ready to be removed. And then after that, I mean, you guys know we have our own set like routine. We got this down. So Adrian, I think we're gonna still shoot for 3 hours, correct? We're gonna try to get it done in 3 hours, get it knocked out. One thing we were just informed on is the customer is ordering lunch for us, man. How special do you feel, Adrian?
Oh, pretty special. They're amazing customers.
Yeah, these customers love us, especially this is a returning customer, because as we got here, we noticed one thing, and that is that this customer has our 4-post Z06 style wing. Now, this is the first time actually seeing it in person on a car, and honestly, it looks amazing. Now, it is all personal preference, whether you go with the 2-post or 4-post, but to see it for the first time, it's definitely an eye catcher for sure. Even the customer said that he gets a ton of compliments on it, asking where he got it. You guys saw one side is finished. Now, this isn't the only thing that we've done since the last clip, and that is because, hey, excuse me, sir. This is not a dodgeball fight, all right? Oh, I almost got you. Okay, we have the other bracket installed as well. So you guys saw up on the camera, we just showed you guys kind of the process of getting the bracket on the driver's side installed, but here on the passenger side, we have it all bolted up as well. So right now we're just about ready to have both doors actually open upwards, and then we will do the final adjustments such as the shock and bump stop and getting everything aligned to close like OEM. Real quick.
West from where we were.
Yes, so west from where we were. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick exactly how hot it is. So it says we're in Delray Beach. That's the location it's giving me. And it is currently 84 degrees with, I think the biggest thing is the humidity, huh? Like how humid it is over here.
Florida.
Hey,
That's how it is over here.
that's Florida. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get back to working on the C8. And then once we actually get both doors opened up, then we'll do another update for you guys. Here we have it, little by little, this car is coming along. Here you can see both doors are already up. That means both hinges are fully installed and tightened up. this side is almost basically complete, huh?
Yeah.
So
it's literally fender can go on that.
exactly. So one of the final updates for you guys, the car is officially complete right now. Adrian's going through with the customer to explain exactly how to use the vertical doors. I know it might sound simple, but there is a technique to using it without actually damaging the hinge. Now, the customer is actually gonna go ahead and start the car right now. And please note, this car has headers, exhaust, down, I mean, it has everything that you can think of. Now, if the C8 is already loud with just an exhaust, imagine with headers. So right now, you guys are gonna hear it for the first time with us. So let's go ahead. You ready?
You ready?
I don't know if I'm ready, honestly.
Okay, here we go.
Go for it.
Lead us not into temptation.
One pair of pants later.
Holy fuck, bro! Oh shit! Damn! Bro! Holy crap! I was not expecting that. Oh shit! Oh my gosh, guys! That is insane. That was our genuine first reaction of hearing it start up. Damn! Oh shit! Oh my gosh, bro. So now that you guys can finally hear me, I don't even know how that sounded on camera, but 100% am certain it did not do it justice. I mean, bro, what?
But that scared me.
Speechless.
I don't think I've ever been scared.
By a
Like,
cold
by a
start.
car.
I mean,
Yeah.
oh my God, I can only imagine you were right next to it. I was in front of the car. So I can only imagine you being
It scared the shit out of me. I'm not gonna lie. It scared the shit out of me.
So now that the car is finished, I mean, here you guys have it, white C8 done with vertical doors. So I think there is, once again, only one last thing to do, and that is to get the owner's reaction. Now comes the time to bring over the owner. So let's go ahead, bring him over. Come here, don't be shy. Now, go ahead, introduce yourself to the people.
How you doing? My name is Vadim.
And well, this is his C8 that we just did the vertical doors. Now, this isn't the first product of ours that he's gotten. So I saw you did have the 4-post wing. Now, what was your experience with us with that when you first purchased your first product from us?
I loved it. My experience was excellent. I went on the line and I saw the product. I knew exactly what I wanted. They helped me with it. They got exactly the type I wanted. And I love it. It's fantastic. It looks great on my car.
Yeah.
It looks awesome.
It honestly looks amazing. It does.
Right, it does. It looks awesome. And I love the gleam from it. And it's also the way the wing is, the way the shape is. It's very unique. And I haven't seen any wing like this down here in South Florida.
Yeah, well, hey, our customers love to be unique, and this is the perfect product to enhance the look of your C8. And well, the biggest next mod was the doors. Now that you saw kind of how we worked, you saw us come to your house, do the install, what was your experience with us?
It was amazing. You guys came on time. It was perfect. I had full contact with your office and yourselves. You texted me, you told me exactly your ETA when you were on the way. It was a great experience, very professional, extremely.
Thank you, thank you. Now, another thing was the kit did barely get shipped today. Now, I think the timing was perfect when we showed up. I mean, the package just got here, didn't it?
Yes,
like,
it did. It
About
was
how
perfect.
long, like how long in between?
I would say the package was here maybe 20 minutes before you guys arrived here. It was shipped overnight. It was promised to me to be shipped overnight and delivered at a certain time, and it did. It got here and it was perfect. The box was sealed, perfect.
Well, look at that, almost perfect timing. Imagine if we would have caught the delivery driver as we got here. But
It was almost there.
It was, I know, we were
Both of
so
you
close.
Pretty much showed up at the same time.
Yeah, it was so close. But here we have it. I mean, let me just say thank you for the
thank you.
opportunity.
Thank
and
you.
well, go ahead and enjoy it. Now, we hope you will be a returning customer. Once again, just by your words and your positive feedback, I know we'll be hearing from you soon.
Thank you so much.
So-
These doors are beautiful. The way you set them up and the way you install them, they're gorgeous. This car looks to me like something totally different than when I first got it. Thank you so much.
Of course, man. Well, We love to hear that. Another happy customer. So
Awesome.
without further ado, let's go ahead, continue with the video and get to the next install.